Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Val here, and today's video is going to be an empty apartment tour of my old apartment. Well, the one that we're moving out of. So by now you should have already seen the new empty apartment tour, but here is the old one. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first of all, it's not completely empty. We just finished cleaning. Well, I still have to mop the kitchen floor and stuff. But here is the entrance, the door. It has this like nice window thing that's kind of like fogged, or I don't know, gloss kind of. And then, so right to my left, we have the kitchen. And then to my right, we have the like dining table, or the dining room, as well as like the living room. Go ahead and show them. And go back to me. So now we are in the kitchen. We're gonna start in the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. It feels a little bit more open than the other kitchen, but also at the same time it's like kind of smaller, I guess. I feel like there's also more there's like bigger drawers in the other kitchen, but that's okay. You know, it's okay. No, there's bigger doors in this kitchen than the other kitchen. But here we have the water heater. Here we have our fridge, and then stove, dishwasher, sink, and cabinets. So that's just the kitchen. And then right over here, we have our dining table. This was like this was the first apartment that we had where we got a dining table, so that's pretty cool. And then over here, we have our pantry, which we still have some cleaning stuff in because like I said, we're still cleaning. But yeah, so this is the pantry, which we didn't use as a pantry. Like I said, we just use it as like storage. And then over here, we have the living room. So we had our TV over on this wall, right over here on this wall. And then our couch over here, and then sometimes we would rearrange it, depending on how we felt. And then, so it's kind of small. So yeah, definitely the other apartment is bigger. There's like an actual living room and a dining room like separately. And then we go into here. This is the hallway. It's a small hallway, but I liked it, you know. So we'll start with the right. And this room is very special to me because this was my very first bedroom. I shared it with my brother just for a little bit. We did share just for a little bit. We had bunk beds, but then he didn't want to sleep in the bunk beds anymore. But this was my old room. I have plenty of room tours of this video, or of this room, so I'll have those linked down below. But I had my bed over here for the longest time, then I changed it and I had my bed over here. But yeah, this was where my channel started. So I started my YouTube channel in this room. I did have probably like some other videos on another YouTube channel, but this was where like everything started, and it's so bittersweet. Like, it's so crazy to think that we're leaving it, you know? And then this is my closet. So this happened on one of my birthdays. I had like a balloon, at least right here I had a balloon, and I pulled it off and that happened, and then that just happened because the closet kept breaking. But yeah, so this was my closet. It was a pretty big closet, bigger than the closet that I had now, or that I have now. But yeah, so this is my room, or my old room. And then this room also it was my brother's room, the last few months. But then over here is this other bedroom. I guess this is like the first bedroom, and the other one is the second bedroom. But this was my room also for the last few months. This was my bedroom, and I'm gonna miss this bedroom. This one looks a little more like my old bedroom, or my new bedroom, my bad. So these are the windows. I had my TV and my dresser over here, and then on this wall I had my desk and my bed going this way, and I had the closet. This was also my mom's room, but yeah. So here's the closet. These are way bigger than, like, both of the closets are bigger than like my brother's and my closets that we have now. My mom's closet is about the same size as these ones. And then if we come back this way, we have the linen storage on this side. So this is like the same thing that I showed you in the other apartment tour. And then our bathroom. I'm not gonna go inside because I mopped the floor and I have my shoes on. But this is the tub. It's the sink, toilet. This bathroom is actually bigger than the bathrooms that we have now, which I'm gonna miss, having this bigger bathroom. But I guess having our own bathrooms. My mom likes to show everything. I don't know why. Mom, you don't need to show everything. It's just bathroom. She's like laughing. But so yeah. So I'm gonna miss. I guess having 2 bathrooms better than like, you know, 1. But then this is the closet and the cloak closet, and I've got to say I like the one in the new apartment better because, like I said, it goes under the stairs, which is pretty freaking awesome. But yeah, so that's the apartment. It's small, it's basic. Oh, and then we have this porch. This is the porch. I don't know if you guys have really seen it, but one Christmas I hung the lights on like the railing and I thought it was really pretty. I'm not gonna have, that was like only once. I don't know why it was only once. But yeah, so this is our 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and now we are in a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment, and that's how casual it was. So if y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And I just also want to say thank you so much for watching, and thank you for supporting my channel for those of you who do watch my videos. And if you guys would like to see more of my videos, subscribe down below, and you'll also be notified maybe when a new video comes out. And comment down below anything you would like. And yeah, so have a good rest of your day, everyone. Bye. So I'm just standing here waiting for my mom and Will to come and get a few things. And here's me, Mom. I just finished mopping the floor. I'm not gonna step foot in here again. Wait, well, maybe if we have to do some more cleaning. But some cords, just in case we have to clean the oven and stuff again. But it's all empty. All empty. Never gonna see it again, probably. Kind of see like the kitchen. Let's see. Kitchen. I did lots of. By the way, I forgot. In my good thing I'm filming this now. I forgot. This is where I made my first cooking with Val video, and then there's my room. But bye, first room. It was nice making my cooking with Val's here. The first kitchen ever happened. But yeah, so fun.